oven baked chicken breast, guys, with bell pepper and cheese from start to finish. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen, guys. We're gonna cook an awesome, delicious recipe for you guys from start to finish. We have a beautiful recipe we're gonna do today in Selvin Kitchen, guys. We're gonna cook an oven baked chicken breast with bell pepper with cheese, guys, served with potato. Over here we have 10 potato, so medium-sized potato, some large potato. We have 1 red bell pepper, we have 1 white onion, we have 2 large pieces of chicken breast, and we have 2 medium-sized pieces of chicken breast, so it's 4 pieces of chicken breast, guys. We have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have some cheese over here. We're gonna use half of the cheese. We ain't gonna use all of the cheese. So this is for the season for the chicken breast. So we have a 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose season, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, we have a pinch of salt. Over here we have 2.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This is for the season now for the potato. We have 1.5 teaspoon of breadcrumbs, we have a pinch of salt, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. So we have a beautiful recipe we're gonna do in Selvin Kitchen, guys, so stay tuned from start to finish. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now, people, we're just gonna slice the chicken breast. Just gonna slice the chicken breast just like that, people. Because in there we're gonna put in the bell pepper, we're gonna put in the cheese. So you don't want to slice it and everything just hopping up like that. So 1 slice there. So make another slice right there. So just get a sharp knife, guys, and just run it across. Okay, it's a beautiful recipe we're doing in Selvin Kitchen, guys. All of my new subscribers, them, thank you guys very much to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen. My old subscriber, them, thank you guys to stick with Selvin Kitchen, because I know that when you come on to Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more delicious, awesome recipe coming out, guys. So the beautiful recipe we're doing. So this is the medium part of the chicken breast. I couldn't get a large chicken breast. Yes guys, it's a beautiful, delicious, awesome recipe. So guys, so we'll cut it like that, chopping up. Yes guys, what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna mix up the season to season up this chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some vegetable oil. Just gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil in it. Then I'm gonna add in all of my seasoning. So I want to mix up all of this season together. Just get a little brush. Just guys, you want to smell the season will come out of this awesome, delicious recipe here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add 1 of the chicken breasts inside of that tray. I already wash it already, guys. Just get a brush and just put it right over the seasoning like that. Cause you don't want to over season your chicken breast, because chicken breast is a very easy, delicious recipe, a very easy recipe to look after. Chicken breast is not hard like beef, like lamb, and everything like that. Yes guys, I just get the brush like that. But you see, I didn't put no pepper on this today because some people cannot take pepper, some people cannot take the heat. So it's a beautiful recipe we're doing, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna slice up my cheese and my bell pepper. Yes people, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna slice up my cheese. You want to slice it, you don't want to slice them too thick or too thin. Just give them a nice slice like that, people. But you're gonna put it right in this slightly the between of that chicken breast what we sliced and season up. Beautiful, delicious recipe, guys. So we slice them thin like that. Yes, guys. Oh yes, people. Beautiful piece of cheese, this one. You don't want to slice them up too thin, so when you take it off of the knife, you're gonna break. So just give them a nice slice like that and stuff them in that tray. Because Selvin Kitchen, guys, we have a lot awesome delicious recipe come out. So tell a friend to tell a friend about Selvin Kitchen. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your sister, tell your uncle, tell your niece, tell your nephew. Selvin Kitchen, people. This is what I'm saying? Yes, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take out the middle of the bell pepper, because I don't want to use the seed of the bell pepper. Just take out the middle. Just put it around like that. Let's take it apart. Then I just pull it out, guys. This is the middle of the bell pepper. We don't want the seed. So we're going to take out all of the seeds from inside of this red bell pepper, guys. Yes, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to slice this bell pepper in two. Oh my God, this bell pepper is beautiful, guys. Now what we're going to do now, I'm just going to slice the bell pepper like that way. Yes, guys, so make sure you guys get a sharp knife, because the knife can go straight through that bell pepper. You don't want to cut in that bell pepper and that bell pepper and breaking me while you're cutting it. So just get a sharp knife and just slide it right through that bell pepper, guys. Beautiful. Yes, guys, so what I do now is I'm gonna add a piece of the bell pepper right there. Don't skin up your bell pepper like that, guys. Just add it right down. If it's bigger than the chicken breast, it's no problem, guys. Just shove it right down in that chicken breast. Slide it right down in that chicken breast, guys. Yes, guys, look at that. This is beautiful, guys. So I'm gonna chuck that in the oven for 20 minutes. Gonna give it 20 minutes in the oven, guys. Beautiful, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So anybody try this recipe, guys, please send me a video, let me know how this recipe turned out. Yes, people, so I have a small chicken breast. What I'm gonna do now, just gonna have some small bell pepper between that one. So I cut my cheese in two, because it's a medium-sized chicken breast. I couldn't get no large chicken breast. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. So I had a piece of cheese in all of them, guys. Voila. And that is ready to rock and roll, people. That is ready to rock and roll. So, guys, as I said before, I'm gonna stop this in the oven for 20 minutes. Yes guys, we're just gonna slice up this potato still like that. So I'm gonna cut them in two. So get a sharp knife, people, just cut them in two like that, and then just turn the inside part and the belly, just slice them across right in the skin, people. You don't want them too thick, you don't want them to take too long to cook. Just slide them across just like that. Beautiful, people, beautiful. Want to get this off of it. You don't want that. Get that in the sink. Get that out the way, people. Yes guys, beautiful, delicious recipe. Yes guys, I'm just still slicing up this potato, guys, because I'm gonna season them up with some all-purpose season, some chicken season, some smoked paprika, and guys, I'm gonna put some breadcrumbs on it, people. Trust me, I want to come out nice and brown and crunchy, not too crunchy. So guys, I'm gonna slice up my onion now. So slice the onion like that. I need to buy a onion chopper, because every time I'm cutting up onion, guys, my eye, my nose keep on running. See? So guys, I just season up this potato with the onion. I just add in some oil in it, add in some the all-purpose season, the chicken season, the garlic powder, and everything I put in it, guys. But I show you, I'm gonna put everything in the description for you guys, so you guys can check it out. So I just season up my potato now, and I'm just gonna put them in a tray and put them in the oven. Yes guys, so we're gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil on this on the tray. Okay, you know that I don't want them to stick on the tray too much, so put a little bit of vegetable oil. Let's get a brush and just dab the brush over it like that. If you don't have vegetable oil, people, you can use olive oil instead, or you can use a piece of butter. If you don't have an oil, you can use a piece of butter. Just warm up the butter in the microwave first, and then just spread it on it. Alright guys, it's a beautiful recipe we're doing today. We're just gonna pour this out on it, and then after we pour it out, guys, we want to get all of this season out, everything on it. We're just gonna spread it out like that because I want everything to level on it. Just spread it right out, people. I want everything to cook properly. Get this out the way, guys. So we'll just spread everything out like that. You want to separate them. You don't want them to stuck together. Separate them just like that, guys. And now I'm just gonna put them in the oven now, guys. Look at that, people. Beautiful potato, well seasoned with some onion. Hi guys, this is all finished now. I just take it out of the oven. So I give the potato 20 minutes in the oven, and the chicken breast stuffed with cheese with bell pepper, I put it in the oven for 20 minutes as well. So it's all finished now. So now I'm just gonna share it some for dinner. I'm starving, guys. It's a beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen. You guys please give me a thumbs up for the video, because when you press that like button, it helps a lot, people. So please give me a thumbs up, and please share and like the video in Selvin Kitchen. So I'm just gonna share with some of this for dinner. Hi guys, this is all finished now. So I'll just share with some for dinner. So this is my chicken breast with cheese with bell pepper, served with some potato. It's a beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen today, guys. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, and please share the video with your friends and family. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Selvin Kitchen recipe, guys, because we have a lot more recipe coming out. Anybody want to be a patron, I'm gonna drop the link. You guys can sign up to be a patron. Anybody want to share the video with your friends and family, I would appreciate it, guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, stay safe, love.